right to have your phone right now.
I know my
I'll have your phone up front with me.
I know my rights. Give me my phone. You think I'm stupid? Give me my phone. I know my rights. Give me my phone.
You don't have your access to your phone.
I need every last one of them.
Elisha, right?
Yeah, can I get a badge number of every...
My badge number is 3231. Is this your phone?
No, that's my phone. Can I
This
get
is
a
your
list
phone?
of everybody's badge number? You're not listening to me.
I hear you. I'm doing it my investigation. I don't have to listen to you right now.
Excuse me, ma'am. You keep acting stupid. Like I said, I know my rights. Give me my phone.
You don't
I'm
have-
able to talk to somebody. Give me my
do
phone.
not.
I'm a lawyer. I'm here half
You do
naked,
not.
woman. Y'all don't have no right to search my vehicle. Give me my phone. Give me my phone.
Continue to kick the cruiser and you're going to go on a gurney. Do you hear what I said? Do you hear what I said? I'm not. Did you hear what I said? Okay, you're going to go on a gurney if you keep kicking.
Excuse me, like I said, I'm barely half dressed. Can you hand me my phone? I'm able to call somebody.
You are not able to
Y'all
call
are not
somebody.
checking
Put
my...
your foot in
What
there
are
or
you
you're gonna
checking
go
my
on the
car?
potty
Can I...
wagon.
So nobody's talking
Put
to
your
me?
foot back
So
inside.
nobody as an adult can talk to me?
I'm
not trying
talking
to speak
to
to
you.
you. No, you're not, because you
Put
keep
your
leaving the
foot
car.
back in the
You
car.
keep leaving the car. No.
Put your foot
Can
back
I
in
get
the
my
car.
phone?
No.
Because you're not about to tell me
Put
that
your
I
foot
got
back in the
pulled
car.
over. You can't tell me what I got pulled over for and I'm not the one driving?
Put your foot
So
in the
every
car.
last one of y'all are going to need to
Last
give me
time
y'all's
or I'm going
badge.
to get you out of the car. Put your
Get me out
foot.
the car because I need to speak to somebody.
Put your foot in the car.
Girl,
You're
let
going
me
to go
speak
on a
to somebody.
gurney if you don't put your foot in
Let
the car.
me speak to somebody
3,
first. I'm allowed to speak
2.
to somebody.
Okay. You got a gurney?
Because, excuse me,